Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at Orange, specifically their website, orange.es. Navigating the site, you'll immediately notice the prominent placement of their various services. From mobile phone plans and internet packages to television subscriptions and even financial services, Orange clearly presents a comprehensive suite of offerings for their Spanish customers. The website's layout is generally clean and intuitive, with a primary focus on showcasing their current promotions and deals. These offers are often highlighted with eye-catching visuals and compelling calls to action, encouraging visitors to explore further. Delving deeper into the site's navigation, you can discover specific details about each service. For example, if you're interested in their mobile plans, you can find information on data allowances, international calling rates, and device options. Similarly, the Internet section provides details about their fiber optic and ADSL offerings, including speed tiers and pricing. The website also dedicates sections to customer support, providing various ways to contact them with questions or concerns. This includes FAQs, a contact form, and even a live chat option for immediate assistance. Exploring further reveals dedicated areas for businesses, highlighting tailored solutions for different industries. Orange also showcases its commitment to innovation, with sections dedicated to 5G technology and other advancements in telecommunications. Finally, throughout the site, there are frequent references to their commitment to customer satisfaction and their efforts to provide reliable and high-quality services. Overall, the Orange.es website serves as a comprehensive portal for accessing information about their various services, offering a user-friendly experience for potential and existing customers alike.